kailangan sa SEO, medyo patient ka uh, dito sa business na to or sa game na to. So if you can actually treat this as a game na hindi pwedeng magre-react ka pag medyo tumaas, masyado ka nang matutuwa, tapos biglang pag bumaba, madi-disappoint ka. So, medyo ano to, there are lots of factors. Tapos yun nga yung Google, every now and then nagkakaroon sila ng updates. And when those updates happen, yung servers nila siyempre nag-a-adjust and uh, sabihin natin nagre-repopulate and uh, nag-ano yung ano nila, nag-iiba-iba yung rankings. So, you need to be aware dito sa mga occurrences na to. So, hindi lagi yan na hindi laging pataas ka ng pataas diyan. So, may mga times diyan definitely makaka-experience ka diyan ng uh, for a few weeks babagsak yung rankings mo, even the stats that's being reported by these market intelligence softwares. So um, you need to know how to explain this to your clients.